This tutorial is an introduction to the backend. The colors and pictures on your own pages may be different to those in this movie, however the functions are identical. Your MyTurf website and private network has two parts, the public front end and the hidden backend, also called administrator. The backend is where you manage the substance, appearance and structure of your website and private network. MyTurf will install this link in your reseller's demo site. It provides access to the site backend. It will be visible to you, and you alone, when you log in. This is where you log in to the backend. The URL of this page is your website domain +/administrator. You can bookmark this for fast access. On sites that you create for your clients, this will be the way you access their backend. Your username and password. You should have changed these from their initial settings to protect against hackers. This button, noted as red, before you log in, opens the front end. It's located in this corner of all administrator pages. When ready, click Login. The administrator panel opens in dashboard view. It gives a management overview of your site. Statistics about your site are shown. These are 3 tabs: show 5, last logged in users, most popular articles, and lastly the 5 recently added articles. These icons provide quick access to the most commonly used features, and you can customize them to suit your own preferences. All the features you will work with are accessed from this menu. Now to take each menu tab in turn. The Users menu is where you can create user accounts. You can manage existing users and add new ones. You can restrict users to certain areas of the site. For example, all visitors can view public pages. The private network pages might require they be registered and logged in. The rules that provide these controls are set up in the Groups and Access Levels menus. These are tricky settings and you might need assistance from the help desk or online chat. Lastly, you can send users notices and alerts. As we saw in the front-end tutorial, articles are content in the form of text and images. Items such as About Us, Product and Services, News, Blogs, etc., were in fact articles. This menu is where you manage these. The management of articles, category and featured article, are explained in the companion tutorial called Articles. Media Manager is the tool used to upload and manage images and other media files for display in articles and modules. A companion tutorial shows you how. Site menus create the pages, which in turn contain the articles, modules and components that are your MyTurf website and private network. There is a companion tutorial which explains the use of Menu Manager. We also learnt in the front-end tutorial that content and pages can come from modules and components. This extensions menu is where all of them are accessed and managed. Each significant module and component is explained in companion tutorials. This menu opens various configuration settings for your website and private network. Most of the settings under these tab options will never need your attention. You'll find specific instruction in reseller support and associated tutorials for any that do. For example, taking your site out of the initial setting, offline for maintenance. You can edit your profile, that is name, email, password etc. from here, and in the User Manager. Changes you make on any page are only recorded in the database when you click a Save button. Use Save when you want to do more work on a page, and save and close when finished. When you're finished working in the backend, log out here. Thank you. You may now close this box.